Hey everyone, welcome to episode 3 of Unboxing Educational Toys. So for today's episode, it's similar, it's actually the same brand like last time on episode 2, Guidecraft, but this time it's the stacking rainbow pyramid, which we're going to unbox. Just so you guys can have an overview of the box from different angles, how it looks like, the back, the bottom, just 360, 180 spin around so you guys can see everything. The main idea of this toy, once we unbox it we'll see more, but it's used as a way for kids to explore colors, construct, stack, sort, and create a sequencing. So that's the general picture of this toy, the benefit of it. So now just let's see what's inside. Honestly, I haven't opened this one, so I don't know what to expect, but obviously we're expecting an educational toy. Just give me a second. So that's how it looks like. 1 second. I might be struggling, but just so we can provide you guys with a look on the product. So let's get one more. I'm not gonna, I'll remove all of it. 1 second. This needs the upside down removal. Anyway, so this is the toy. One of the things about this brand which we enjoy having is that it's quite of a high quality type of product. The wood is quite, big and long lasting. We haven't had any problems or complaints or any of that sort. We usually don't, but just so we can put it out there. So if you have a light board, you can, first of all, you have the color exploration, as you can see. If you have the light board, you can start mixing the colors. It won't be too apparent here. You can see it slightly changing, but once you have the light board, you can see it clearer. And as well, you can construct. You can use the different, accessories available. And as well, you can create sequence. You can create stacking above each other as they were placed in the box as well. And that's basically it. That's the whole idea of the stacking rainbow pyramid. Just let me put everything in front of you so all of you can have a look. That's not a good idea. Let me put it this way. Oh no, not good. Anyway, this is the best view we can provide. So this is what you would expect to find in the box. Obviously, there's different sizes, there's different alternatives available, but this is for this product. So now you have a general idea of what this is, what it can help. And if anyone has any questions, if anyone has any inquiries, you can drop an email, you can call us, dropping an email is better. And yeah, we can help you out. And if you need any advice, in picking a product from here, from anywhere, we're more than happy to help. So hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll see you on episode 4. I might lose count on the episodes, but we'll keep it going for now. So thank you again, and we'll see you next time.